Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir and everyone. Today I will be presenting my UTS project about software and operating system. My name is Nura Firillah from class 19 2D01. What is computer software? First, let's understand what computer software is. Computer software, often just called software, is a set of instructions along with related documentation that tells a computer how to perform specific tasks or operation. In other words, it is what makes the hardware functional and allows use to use the computer for different purposes. Some common examples of software include 1. Microsoft Word, which is used for word processing. 2. Web browsers like Firefox and Chrome, which allow to access the internet. And spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, used for data organization and analysis. System software. Now, let's move on to system software. System software is a type of software that is designed to provide a platform for other types of software to work on. It is essential because it supports the basic function of a computer and allows the system to operate. Without system software, application program won't be able to run and the hardware won't function properly. Component of system software. System software includes 1. The operating system, which manages all the hardware and software resources. 2. Utility programs, which help to maintain, analyze, and optimize the performance of a computer. Both components are necessary for the smooth functioning of the system. Types of system software. There are several types of system software, including 1. Operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 2. Device drivers, which help the OS communicate with hardware. 3. Diagnostic tools for checking and troubleshooting problems. 4. Servers that provide data to other computers, and more. Each type plays a unique role in managing or supporting system operation. What is an operating system? Let's take a closer look at the most important system software, the operating system or OS. An operating system is the software that acts as an intermediary between the computer hardware and the user. It helps run application software and coordinates all the hardware components of a computer. Function of the operating system. The main function of an operating system include 1. Providing a user interface, allowing user to interact with the computer either via GUI atau Graphical User Interface or CLI, yaitu Command Line Interface. 2. Running application, managing how applications are started, executed, and closed. 3. Controlling the hardware. Make sure all components like CPU, memory, and storage work together smoothly. These functions are crucial for the usability and performance of any computer. Operating system interface. An operating system interface is what users see and use to interact with the system. There are two main types. 1. 1. Graphical User Interface atau GUI. This includes icons, windows, and menus, and is easier for most user. 2. Command Line Interface atau CLI. This requires users to type text commands usually preferred by advanced users, but the purpose of making system interaction possible. Types of operating system. There are various types of operating system, each designed for different use cases. 1. Single user OS. Support one user at a time, like Windows for personal computer. 2. Multi-user OS allows multiple users to access the system simultaneously. 3. Real-time OS used in critical systems where timing is important, like in medical or industrial equipment. 4. Distributed OS manage a group of computers and makes them appear as one. 5. Embedded OS found in devices like ATMs or smart TVs. Last, mobile OS like Android and iOS for smartphones and tablets. Thank you. That brings us the end of my presentation. I hope you've learned something valuable about software and operating system today. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Once again, I am Nora Videla from class 19 2D01. Have a great day.